Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we discuss about syllabus and important topic of our soft skill development course. In this video, we will discuss about syllabus and important topics. Let's discuss about official syllabus. In official syllabus, in week first, you have to study about communication skill once, the basis, and in week second you have to study about communication skill second, presentation and interaction, and then in week third you have to study about communication skill third, visual, non-verbal and oral communication, and then week 4 you have to study about interpersonal communication first, individuals, groups and cultures, and in week 5 you have to study about emotional and social skills, and in week 6 you have to study about developing key trait first, creativity, critical thinking and problem solving, and then in week 7 you have to study about developing key trait to motivation, precision, negotiation and leadership, and last, week 8, essential and vocational skills, survival strategies. Let's discuss our analysis of the syllabus in comparison with the weekly assignment. This is our analysis week by week. Let's discuss about our week first. In week first, communication skill first, basics. In week first, you have to study about assignment focus heavily on listening styles, non-verbal cues, paralinguistics, tone, pitch, volume, conversation skills, and filters in communication. And then you have to study about key recurring themes like empathetic listening, therapeutic listening, covert communication, gestures, summarization. These are the topic you have to study about in week first. And the important topic in week first is listening type, non-verbal communication, conversational strategies, communication barriers. Now let's discuss our week second analysis. In week second, communication skill 2, presentation and interaction. In week second, you have to study about question target group communication, presentation skills, visual perception and interpretation, body language and multimedia. And then it includes group progression model, Fisher's, decision making in groups, communicator types. And our important topic of week second is presentation skill, communication style, group dynamics in presentations, visual and audience interpretation. Now let's discuss about week third. Week third is communication skills 3, visual, nonverbal and oral. In week third, you have to study about assignment are rich in Gestalt psychology like closure, perception principles, and then facial expression and emotions, oral impact, music, rhythm, kinesics, proxemics, and our important topics of week third is visual illusions, Gestalt principles, body language, cultural visual scanning, proxemics in communication. Now let's discuss about our week 4. Week 4 is interpersonal communication first. In week 4 you have to study about assignment emphasize relationships, group dynamics, Tuckman model, conflict management, reference groups, and social media impact. And our important topics of week 4 is group dynamics, conflict sources, stages of group development, relationships, and trust, social network. And let's discuss about our week 5th. Week 5th is interpersonal communication second. In this, you have to study about emotional and social skills. The syllabus of our week 5th is a strong focus on emotional intelligence like EI components, self awareness, regulation, motivation, empathy, social skills, and then interpersonal communication, empathy development, limbic system roles. And the important topic of our week 5th is emotional intelligence, empathy, interpersonal communication, change management, and Levin's model. Now let's discuss about our week 6. Week 6 is developing trait 1, creativity, critical thinking, problem solving. In week 6 you have to study about assignment highlights like critical thinking definition, creativity barriers, biases, confirmation bias, six thinking hats, heuristic versus mind mapping, group versus individual creativity. So the important topic of our week 6 is critical thinking, creativity process, biases, six thinking hats, barriers to creativity. Now let's discuss about our week 7. So in week 7 you have to study about developing traits too. In this you have to study motivation, persuasion, negotiation, leadership. So the topic is leadership styles, motivation theories like V Room's expectancy theory, persuasion ethics like Yale model, cognitive response model, and then negotiation styles, manipulation versus persuasion. So the important topic of our week 7 is motivation, persuasion versus manipulation, negotiation styles, leaderships, communication. And let's discuss about our last week 8 is essential and vocational skill like survival strategies. So week 8 is focused on stress management, work life balance models like spillover and conflict, and then resilience strategies, time management, family friendly policies. And the most important topic of our week 8 is stress effect, resilience, work life balance, time management, and coping strategies. So now let's discuss about our summary of most important topics across weeks. So in this, you know about most important topics in all the weeks. So let's discuss about our summary of most important topic across weeks. So the first is listening and non-verbal communication. It belongs to week 1 to 1 and 3. And then second is presentation and group communication. These are belongs to week second and fourth. And then third is group dynamics and conflict management. This this topic is related to week fourth. And then fourth is emotional intelligence and empathy. It is related to week fifth. And then fifth, critical thinking, creativity and six thinking hats. It related to week 6. You have to study about these topics in week 6. And in 6, you have to study about motivation, persuasion, negotiation, leadership in week 7. And last, 7th, stress management, resilience, work life balance in week 8. So these are the most important topic of your course. So thank you friends for watching our video. We will meet in our mock test series. So thank you friends for watching our video.